Will Bitcoin go below 20K? The big question that's on all of our minds. I asked that question in a longer interview I did with DavinciJ15, the YouTuber. It's Davinci Jeremy is his name, from the Davinci Codes. So I want you to hear what he had to say. So I took a snippet out of the larger interview so that you can just get that gold nugget that he talked about. I think it's really important with all of the FUD going on in the market right now to get somebody's opinion and somebody's technical analysis who's actually been in the trading Bitcoin space, the crypto space, since Bitcoin was $1. So that means out of all of the traders out there online, he's one of the few that's been there from pretty much the beginning and seen it all and seen the various different markets. So let's hear what DavinciJ has to say in just a moment. And I want to remind you, he's one of our key speakers at the Conscious Crypto event that we have coming up in October. Be sure to scroll down into the description after you've watched the video, click on the link to go over to the event, because we have the early bird special for the 3 days for the event that's going to be held online. And you want to get all the goods from DavinciJ, you want to be at that event, and you certainly want to get the cheaper ticket, right, before they all sell out. Link is below this video. Let's hear what DavinciJ had to say around are we going down to 20K or not? So given that we have just had quite a lot of FUD in the market about Bitcoin going under 20K since we've had this big dip, it's been consolidating and it looked like it's going to go back and close the CME gap this morning, but now it's just moving really slowly. What is your take on where we are right now with the price of Bitcoin, and then where we are generally within the market? Like, I personally don't think that we're heading towards the 2-year bear cycle, but what's your idea on all of that?
Yeah, I think we're just having a double bubble kind of deal here, where we ran up a little bit and then we cooled down. Keep in mind, Bitcoin went from 10,000 all the way up, pretty much straight line, to 65,000, and in a span of 6 months, or actually 7, effectively. And we had to expect some sort of cool off period before we continue with any kind of continued run. If we close above the $41,000 mark, that's going to indicate a very good that the bull market might be resuming, not 100%, just higher probability at that point that we're resuming the bull market again. We're definitely, if we break above the 41,000, we can definitely see Bitcoin get to the $50,000 mark again before we can look at the price action and decide which direction it wants to go. So I'm looking forward to that.
So double bubble. Did you catch that, guys? It's a double bubble. We're going to get another bubble. So that was just a snippet from a larger interview that I did with DavinciJ, asking some really probing questions. He gave us some really good tips on strategies for increasing your Bitcoin and more on altcoins. If you want to see that interview, be sure to click the end card. We would love for you to like this video, subscribe, hit the bell and click all if you're not already one of our followers. We do upload videos every day teaching you technical analysis, scenarios that can affect the price of Bitcoin, as well as strategies, and more importantly, mindset strategies and psychology, since success is mostly psychology. Also, we are having the Crypto Conscious event that I told you about for traders at the beginning of this video, and the link for that is below. Make sure you go over there now, grab your early bird ticket. You're going to get $400 off approximately, and that price is going up really soon. So number one, you want to make sure that you get the early bird ticket price, and number two, you want to get in before tickets sell out. This is an event that we're having online, and so therefore the seats are limited, and you don't want to dilly-dally on that. It's going to be a very exciting event, and you're going to walk away with a tremendous amount of knowledge and value and preparedness to maximize all of your earnings coming into the super cycle that will be happening around about the same time, maybe a little later than our event in October. Thanks so much for listening all the way to the end. Again, if you want to see the entire interview with DavinciJ, click the end card. Bye for now.